Welcome to the Law Library homepage. There are a couple of different ways to get to this site. One, you can bookmark it. From the Rutgers Law School homepage, if you hover over Academics, Law Library is one of the selections in the menu, and if you click that, you will be taken to the Law Library homepage. And students, when you log on to the intranet, so hover over Info and go to Current Students, you will be asked to log in with your net ID. For now, Law Library resources are available at the top, but if you scroll down into the resources available to you, you'll see a link to the library. Any important information regarding library operations and services will be posted here on the home page. If you scroll down, you'll see the most important links. Contact Us link takes you to the services page, and you'll find information about the reference services in both the Camden and the Newark locations with contact phone numbers and contact email addresses. The reference librarians monitor this email address regularly. One of the most important links that you will probably use is the library hours link. Note that there are different library reference and operating hours for each location. If you are a resident in Camden, you'll probably want to see what the Camden hours are. And hours vary throughout the year. During any given period, any semester, you'll find the hours for Camden posted on this page. Changes to hours will be posted here at the top of the page. And when we are on campus, we try to keep the law library hours posted to the LCD screens that you'll see around the law building. So if you scroll down, you'll see our reference hours. If we were in person, the summer operating hours, and so on. And these will change throughout the year. Just keep checking back. Law Library Catalog. That's where you're going to access all of the resources that are available to you through the Law Library. You can find books, journals, articles, and other mediums of information in the catalog. You also have access to the materials from the Rutgers libraries across all of the Rutgers campuses. Course reserves will allow you to see what books are on reserve for particular courses. Note that this link points to our old catalog, and we are currently working to move everything to our new catalog. When your professors put a book on reserve for your class, they do so in order to allow that material to be as available to as many students as possible, which means shorter checkout periods. Right here, you'll see a link to our electronic resources. This provides you with an A to Z list of all of the electronic resources for all of your online research needs. You'll see various icons that indicate whether something is available only to the law school or if something is available through the Rutgers University library system. Sites like Westlaw, you'll see a little lock because you'll have a personal login identification for those resources. Something that you might find useful in your first year and as you continue on through law school are our research guides. When you click on the link, you'll be taken to a page showing you a list of various subjects for which we've compiled guides that can take you to resources in the law library. For instance, you might be taking contracts, and if you want to know what resources we have for contracts, you'll see this page is devoted solely to contract study guides. And here are a number of books that we have in the library that will enhance your studies. There are also different tabs for treatises for more in-depth information. drafting resources, and restatements, which you'll learn about once you get into class. There's also a link to the university library system. While we share a catalog with the university library system, we remain somewhat autonomous. So if you're looking for law-specific research guides, the best place to start is on the Law Library homepage. For other interdisciplinary research, you're going to use the university library system. They have a plethora of databases, journals, and other services. If you want to know more about what services are available to you as students, click on the Faculty and Students link. Note that this link is also available from the top. You'll see we dropped into the Library Services page. So if you want information for students, you'll see the information that we have available to you. If you want to explore just the faculty and students information, click on that page and you'll go to a landing page for faculty and students. You'll see a lot of the same resources here, searching the catalog, course reserve, research guides, and some more research resources that will enhance your time here at the law school. When we're back on campus, you're probably going to want to make use of the study rooms. You can make reservations through the link here. There's also a link to book study room through the current students intranet page that I just showed you. And if you want to see what other research resources we have available to you, we link to other library catalogs, other research databases, more research guides. And here you'll find the Camden Exams Archive. This is going to help you come finals when you're studying for your exams and you want to know if your professor has anything in the archive that you can study from. So back to that current students page. So I showed you the link to the library right here. Here's the link to room reservations and the final exam database. This will take you to the same place as the exam archive link from the library website. Finally, Rutgers Law is a member institution with the Center for Computer Assisted Legal Instruction, or CALI. CALI offers law students lessons on a number of topics from your first year courses to your upper class electives. These lessons are designed to help reinforce and explain the materials you're learning in class. Click on the CALI Access link and scroll down for the registration code and instructions on how to register.